Now, let's look at the ultimate tech survivor, or maybe not, IBM. Quick case study here. I find this fascinating as a case of reinvention, but it just can't keep up with where the world's going, which is I'll end this case study. But IBM started out as a mainframe company, then mid-range, then PCs. Well, it couldn't just be a hardware company only and survive. So it was very acquisitive during these early years in the 2000s in services and built up its services division, including acquiring PwC Consulting for $3.5 billion in 2002, which at the time was a lot of money. And then it realized services wasn't enough. It had to really grow its software business. It acquired Cognos for $5 billion in 2007 and did very well with other software company acquisitions to grow its share price quite dramatically. If you look at the scale here, then the world was moving into cloud. And so in 2018, IBM decided we've got to make a big acquisition, a big play in cloud. It acquired Red Hat for $34 billion, which interestingly, many commentators didn't put in the context of its market cap, which at the time was about 120, 130 billion. So it invested about a third of its market cap into one company, Red Hat. Now what's happened? It's continuing to decline in share price while here the Dow Jones is growing. And while we'll see many other tech companies are growing, and what most people may not realize is that IBM today is only worth $110 billion. Google is 1.2 trillion, Microsoft 1.6 trillion. Salesforce, 200 billion. Salesforce is worth more than IBM today. Even Snowflake, the new cloud data company, cloud warehouse company, which just did an IPO in the last 3 or 4 months, Snowflake is worth 93 billion, almost as much as IBM. So there's some big messages that come out of all this that I